Hey guys, what's up? Emil's here. And yep, so it was too long times that I didn't share any videos about JavaScript. So today I think it's lesson 16 in JavaScript tutorials. So today we're just going to look at classes, and we're just going to answer some questions like what's class, why do we need to just create classes on our codes. And also we're just going to create some classes, and we're just going to learn how to use it. So before writing in a code, let me just talk about a little bit classes. So classes is used to create one or more objects. For example, you have a person and you want to create one and more person objects. So then you need to use classes. And let me just show you how to define in a class. So to define in a class, we're just going to write in a class keyword. It's in a reserved keyword class. So you can see that it turns to blue because it's a reserved keyword. Then I'm just going to write my class name. For example, my class name will be a person. Then I'm just going to open and close curly brackets. So this is how I define a class. So I say that you have a person and you want to create one and more person objects. So to create an object, what do we need to just write to create an object? It's pretty simple. So you're just going to write a var, and you're just going to write, for example, person1, and then new person. So this is how you create an object of a class. So this is our class person. If I press Ctrl and bring our mouse onto this person word, and it will say that class person. And if I click here, it shows this. So this is how we define an object of a class. And what I want to print something on the screen when our object of a class created. For example, I want to print something on the screen like class object is already created. So I want to print on the screen when the object is already created. So to do it, I'm just going to use constructors. So constructors is the important things on the programming world. So let me just define a constructor and run our code, and then I'm just going to talk about a constructor. So I'm just going to write console.log, and say this is actually object is created. So I already created a constructor. So I'm just going to run our code to see what happens. So it says object is created. So constructor is used to constructor used to be called when persons our class project object will create it. So when we create an object, our code just comes here and calls the constructor. For example, I'm just going to create another object person2 new person. So this is our object 2, and if I run it again, it will print 2 times object is created and object is created, because I already created 2 objects of a person. Yeah, so and now I'm just going to delete this constructor, and we're just going to talk about a little bit this words. This dot, for example, my name equals actually this. So I'm just going to write in here name. So let's talk a little bit about this keyword. So you can ask that what does this means? This keyword means that it refers to our class. Actually, this dot my name means that person dot my name. So, but some programmers prefer to write this. Actually, that's why it is created to refer to our actually class. Yeah. So I'm just going to say this dot my name. This means that my person class, my name, it's a variable of a person class, equals to name. So now I'm just going to enter a name here, for example, email, and then I'm just going to print it out. Console.log this dot my name. Do not forget to put semicolon and now run it to see what happens. It says email because I already entered some arguments here, and it prints when we create an object, it calls the constructor, and constructor prints out this my name variables value. So this is how we use classes on our codes, actually on our JavaScript code. So I hope you enjoyed it. Well, see you in the next video. Bye.